Hello children, let's start with chapter 7 packing. This is the part of a literature part 1 written by Jerome K. Jerome. First of all children, you need to understand about the main plot of the story. The chapter packing is taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat written by Jerome K. Jerome. The story is about the art of packing. The chapter is about a humorous incident which happened when the narrator and his other two friends were packing for a boat trip. I hope you understood. It's a very simple to know that the three persons were there who were going for a trip and they need to do the packing of their belongings. Clear? Now, next step is about the characters. So, the first character, that is the main characters of the story, Jerome, who is himself a narrator of the story, who considers himself to be the master of packing. The second character is Harris, a friend of the narrator who irritates him by raising his legs on the table when the narrator was packing the bag. The third character is George, another friend of the narrator who sat on a chair while the narrator was packing the bag. And the last character is Montmorency. He was a pet dog of the narrator, who is very interesting character children. He irritated George and Harris by sitting on the things that were to be packed. He was chased down by the Harris. So I hope you understood about the characters. The main character is narrator and two friends of the narrator who were also going for a trip along with the Montmorency who was a dog. So let's begin with the highlights of the story. The first highlight of the story, the narrator boasts of being the master. The narrator was going on a trip with his friends, George and Harris. You need to remember the name of the friends too. Again I am repeating, George and Harris. He told them that he would do the packing. They accepted his offer and relaxed while he packed the bag. The narrator's real intention was to surprise his friends in packing. He wanted to teach his friends how to pack. However, they misinterpreted him and as a result, narrator had to do the packing. I hope you understood the first highlight. The second highlight is haphazard packing by the narrator. The narrator started packing. It took him a bit longer than he had expected. Because children, packing is not an easy task. It takes too much time because many things you have to pack it up in your bags. He packed the bag but forgot to put the boots inside, as we also usually do. So, he had to reopen the bag and put them in. He forgot whether he had to put his toothbrush in the bag or not. So, he had to open the bag again and empty its contents. He put the contents back in the bag by shaking them one by one and found his toothbrush inside a boot. That is a very humorous thing, children. He had to reopen the bag once again and he had forgot his spectacles in the bag again. So many things he had to forgot to put in the bag. So these are the two highlights of the beginning of a chapter. In the next video, you will get to know about the other highlights. Till then, thank you.